Alright, this is a very quick film to show you the state of the project and ask you to help me to clarify one or two remaining questions with regard to it. This is the first floor. Everything has been put together and everything is within an inch of everything, so I was very pleased with that. Everything worked out, all the math worked out. I show this wall here sticking a little bit, it looks like to me, the best I can guess. And the second floor is similar. Everything works out to within an inch or so, except with regard to the most important part. One of the reasons, among others, that I had to model this entire structure, particularly in the first floor, is because it's this sort of a house where the second floor footprint does not overlay the first floor footprint exactly, and I had to try to locate that. Now this is the first floor footprint in the red here underneath, and I had to try to locate it, and all the measurements work out where it's lining up where a person would expect, here and here and here. And the way I located the second floor was centering the dormer measurement on the center of the building, and using that in combination with measurements from the stair, that was how I located these walls here. So these were the main walls going in that were located according to those items. You can see that all of these are pretty much within an inch or so, except in this bathroom, and this is where I'd like you to try to help me to clarify what is going on and why things are not working out. These are accurate dimensions. Remember, these walls here were centering the dormer on the building and then building out from there with all my dimensions. These are accurate here, which means this one's accurate here, and out to here is accurate, and all these are accurate. This, as near as I know, as near as I can tell from my multiple dimension taking, is accurate, where this space from here to here is 86 3/4. And I know that this 36 is true, and I know that this is true, but here is the thing. When I put these blocks in here, these boxes that you have up there that are 12 1/4 and so forth, and lay this out according to your dimensions, this is a 45 up there. You can tell from the way it lays along the tile. This is 7 inches, this is 25 5/8, and this is 36. But this 36 should be coming down right beside this door, and it doesn't. And I don't know, perhaps if you could give me some of these dimensions, particularly from that shower base to the wall underneath the shelf, that, and from the right side of this wall here to that wall. That, I don't know if this wall is offset from that wall or what is happening there, but anything that you, maybe I don't have a photo of this whole wall. Maybe this wall comes like this and steps back. I don't know, but anything you can give me to help to clarify the width of this in through here, and that will be the final piece of that whole puzzle, and we can finally look at what might be possible. Here's what it looks like from the outside at the moment, and really this was just put together to figure out exactly how high these roofs were off of the ground and how they're interfacing with that second floor. Here's a couple little films of the first and second floor. And just to return to this to review, and it's not super critical, but I would like to know exactly what is happening with regard to this space. One of the things you can see that I'm showing is that it looked to me like this wall might be thickened based upon my dimensions out here and in here. It might be thickened by 2 or 3 inches, and that can probably be determined better if we measure, I don't know, maybe from the surface of this to here and then from there to there, but I can't tell. When I took my dimensions, I measured this 15 5/8 out here to the casing, but in here I had 16 1/4 from the edge of this drywall opening to this, But right now, if I measure that, it's going to be 17 or 18 on this. So I'd really like to get that clarified, and anything you can do would be helpful. Again, thanks very much.